Good morning, Math 20-3. How's everybody doing? Hope you had a good night. I did. Well, kind of. Little ones wouldn't sleep. Now they're watching some show about cars and fire trucks and whatever else. Whatever in the background. Hope you got my joke of the morning. Now, taking a look, I see most of you have kind of dwelled into Google Classroom and finished the assignments from yesterday, which is great to see. Aside from today's video and some of the assignments that you'll soon see uploaded, you'll get a bunch of other videos that are going to be uploaded, mostly in relation to volume and capacity, as that was the last section. So after today, anything being covered is going to be related to volume and capacity. So what that means, prisms, cones, pyramids, cubes, stuff like that, maybe some spheres. After that, I'm hoping that on Friday, early in the morning, I'll have loaded your quiz. That will be the end summative element of this unit. And I don't think we're going to actually have a project for this unit, as you guys have done multiple ones. So, yeah, that's how it's going to go. Now, today, what you're going to see loaded at about 2 o'clock is you're going to see four assignments, actually. There's this one, okay, that's going to show up. That's in relation to the basic areas of 2D shapes. Now, when you go into the assignment, essentially, it's going to look like the following, okay? Basically, it's just a sheet, and it asks you to identify shapes, find some properties, so how many sides, how many angles are within the actual shape. This will be then followed by doing some calculations of finding area of a rectangle. Simple, just for the answer. Make sure to remember that you do the proper units of measure. Everybody's going to have a sheet to their own, so you can write on it. I don't need to see all the work that you're going through, just mostly the answer. Okay, so it's just because there's no way for you to write on these unless I'm going to ask you to print them and scan them and re-scan them in and send them to me, which is going to be very tedious, and I don't think you have the time or the technology to do so. So that's the first assignment that's going to be uploaded or dropped. It's worth 19 marks. The second assignment that's going to be dropped has two parts. As you'll see here as it loads up, one is the area of rectangles and triangles. It starts off basic, allows you from the worksheet yesterday just to count individual grids. Okay. Then it's going to actually move to calculating areas with pictures and without. The units of measure are already there, so it should be easy. Look, Darth Vader. Uh-oh, Solly's here. Everybody say hi to Solly.
Hi, Sally.
Okay, say bye, Solly.
Bye, Sally.
Okay. So taking a look, that's the sheet that's going to finish with that one. Finally, the second sheet in the second assignment is essentially going to be similar, but only dealing with triangles. My computer system is being a little slow just because I have 4 kids at home. 2 of mine are on the Wi-Fi trying to do their own homework. I got Oz watching some TV. Solly trying to bug me while she's doing yoga on the floor. So the area of the triangle sheet, same thing, starts off easy, just counting individual grid sections, okay, and then it moves to actually doing the math. Find the area of the triangle. So if you remember, in question 3 here, all it is base times height divided by 2. Base is 10, height is 6. 6 times 10 is 60 divided by 2. You'd put 30, but you'd put 30 centimeters squared. Okay? For those of you that don't know how to do the squaring function, I'll show that in a little video in a second. But basically, all you're doing is you type in the 30, okay, centimeters, put the 2 in behind it. Then if you highlight the 2 like that, and then you go to format, which is right here in behind, text, it opens up superscript. When I click on superscript, it adds it to the squared section. That's it. That's basically how you do it on the computer. I will essentially see if I have time here to build a video. Oh, jeez. Uh-oh, what have I done? Okay, I'll fix that sheet as I get back to it here. Just click. Now, the last sheet that you're going to cover is in the third assignment, and it is of compound shapes. Once again, as with everything, it starts off easy and then works to most difficult. If you have any questions, please text me, email me, Instagram me, any way you can do it.